Welcome back to another cubing video, guys. And I'm going to be doing a solve on the normal gear cube. And then at the end of this video, I'll do a tutorial on how to do it, which is pretty simple. So, let's get started. And there you have it. I finished this cube already. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to mix it up and show you how to solve it. Get a little closer so you can see. Okay. So let me mix it up first. I'm just doing a random scramble. It may take a few minutes, but being sure it's mixed up good so you know I'm not doing a reverse solve and scamming you guys. Because I'm not. I'm just doing a random scramble. Have no idea what I'm doing because I'm not even looking at the cube. Doing more moves than I can memorize. So. Okay. So what you're going to do is you need to get the yellow corner pieces, wherever they're at. Let me see. There's two right here and two right here to go up in here to the yellow side, but they have to be matching. So right here we have the yellow, where's it at? There we go. We have the two yellow pieces matched with the two blue corners. So we're going to go ahead and we have it flipped this way, so we're going to turn it twice and it's going to line us up with the yellow, hopefully. Maybe 3 times. And your other pieces are going to be matched up and hopefully up there with it. But normally if I have a case like this where the yellow side isn't up here with it, because I'm about to get the sides on here now, but if you normally have a side that there's no matching yellow, I'll normally try another side just to see what'll happen if I do. See, I just did the red side right here, and there's purple and red right here, yellow and red, blue and red, and green and red. So now what you're going to do is see if they're in the right place, which in this case they are, but I'm going to get them out of the right place to show you what to do real quick. So now, the yellow and red piece is right up here with the purple, and the purple and red piece is right where the yellow is. So what you're going to do is, it may be backwards. One second, let me turn this around to do it. So you're going to go R2, up, R2, up. And now, your yellow and red pieces here, and your purple and red pieces here. Which means there may be some that are unsolved again. So you got, whoa, one second. Okay. You have purple and green right here, and purple and blue on the other side for some reason. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do that move again, R2, U, R2, U, to get it right here. And then my yellow and green is on this side, so I'm going to do it again, U, R2, U. And now, they should be on the right side, yeah. Here they are right here. And now my green and orange and green and red are mixed up, so I'm going to have to do that again. R2U. And now everything around here is in its right spot. And to get that back in order, you're just going to turn the right face until it turns straight. So I'll do it 4 times and it's still not right, so I'll do it 4 more times and it's perfect and you have it solved.